We'll guide you through how to save contacts in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the process of saving your valuable information, first launch the official Contacts application directly on your personal smartphone. Once the app is open, navigate to your main contact list to see all of your saved names and their individual phone numbers. Perform a firm long press on the specific contact entry you wish to back up to the cloud for protection. Tap the Share option from the pop-up menu that appears instantly on your display screen. Confirm this action by clicking the Done button on any prompt that follows this particular selection. Select the Save to Files option from the list of available sharing destinations for your device. Click the Primary Save button to export the contact as a standardized VCF file to your internal phone storage. Exit the Contacts app completely once you have confirmed the file is saved locally. Open the Google Drive app from your home screen. After that, tap the Multicolor Plus button located near the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Select the Create Folder option to help keep your digital data organized and efficient. Enter a name for your new folder, such as Contact, to identify it. Click the Create button to finish setting up the new directory inside your cloud storage. Tap the New Folder to enter the workspace you just created on your account. Click the plus button again to add a new item to this specific folder now. Select Upload File from the available creation menu that appears on the screen. Tap the Browse button to search through your device's storage folders. Locate your contact file and click on it to prepare it for the cloud upload. Click the Open button to move to the final confirmation screen. Tap the location setting to verify exactly where the file will be uploaded. Select My Drive from the list of storage locations within the app. Pick your specific contact backups folder from the list. Click Save here to confirm that this is the correct destination. Tap the Upload button to start syncing the file to your Google account. Wait for the progress notification to confirm the transfer is complete. Your contact is now safely stored successfully.